step 4 there will be the mesh creation of all the support structures. So there are actually two different kinds of support structures. So this is the vertical part and this is the side part and the back part. Well, let's start with the vertical one. These are all the points which need a support structure that's vertical because they're on top of something. Okay, I basically, well, this is a very easy part. So the most important thing that happens here is that I ray all these points. Well, I create lines and I ray the bottom part of the line down, so to the point where it will be connected to the surface. And let's see how it looks in the end. So here you can see how it looks in the end. All the other things are just some easy mesh creation, so just placeholder art for maybe something you will put in the Unity engine, or a fancier creation of the mesh. Okay, that was the easy part of the support structures. Right here, these two are very similar. The right one is for the sideways support structures and the left one is for the support structures that go to the wall at the back. Now, what does this do? Let's take a look. Here you can see both support structures. We're going to zoom in on the sideways support structures. Okay, it creates a support structure which is also for now placeholder art, but it is sufficient. What does it do? It uses the same kind of ray that the other one did. So over here there is a point. This is the point on the line, and here there is the surface of the countertop, and it rays this point, so a line, the second point of the line, towards the closest point. So over here. This means I've got a line. This line will be resampled, as you can see over here. So we're going to the first one. It will be resampled to the length. This length is going to be used to do some very fancy calculations. As you can see here, there are all these different parts, and to explain this better you have to look at my presentation, because this is a lot of for loops which are containing a form of an expression. I know this is not the most efficient way to do this, but it was more of a challenge for myself. So it's mainly an expression of the points you see and which points will be connected with each other. Well, there is another type of support structure, and that are the poles which are standing within the lines. So if you look at them, these are points which are connected between two curves. So the way I did this is also with using a ray node, and I rayed so the points I had, I wanted the possible points, and I rayed them down, and if there were at a too high amount of distance, then it wouldn't use them. So also a very easy and similar way to the first support structure I described, of creating a support structure within the lines. That was step 4, and right now we'll be proceeding to step 5, the final step.